After a huge storm, I'm worried that the rivers could swell and become unfishable, potentially in a matter of hours. Setting up on the bank as before would eat precious time. So I decide to moor up and fish from the boat. All I can do now is wait and hope that the fishing gods will see fit to lift their curse.
We got a fish.
But there's work to do.
It's on a tree. Let's go above it. It's round a tree, I think. Okay, keep in the middle. Out in the middle, please. It's coming up, it's coming up. Right. Ready? I'm ready. Here we go, here we go, here we go. It's clear, it's clear. Lift! Lift, 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 lift! Now! We have it. We have it. Tapper. We have it. Let's go to the bank.
At long last, my tapper curse has lifted.
Right, let's have a look at this beast. Lengthwise, it just goes on and on. This is a fish with eyes bigger than its stomach.
Dogs, huge lizards, a cow, and even humans. I've heard enough about its feeding habits to know that this is a beast that means business.